Hello everyone. Welcome to my kitchen garden. Today, I want to talk to you about the benefits of kitchen gardening and why you should consider growing your own vegetables in your own home. First and foremost, kitchen gardening is a great way to save money. Instead of buying fresh produce from the grocery store, you can grow your own vegetables right in your backyard. This not only saves you money, but it also allows you to control the quality and freshness of the produce you are eating. Another benefit of kitchen gardening is that it is a great way to get fresh produce all year round. In areas with mild winters, you can even grow tomatoes and other summer vegetables all year round. This is especially beneficial for those who live in areas where fresh produce is not readily available during certain times of the year. Kitchen gardening is also a great way to get involved in sustainable agriculture. By growing your own vegetables, you are reducing your carbon footprint by reducing the amount of transportation required to bring produce from far away. Additionally, you are reducing your reliance on chemical pesticides and fertilizers, which can be harmful to the environment. Now, let's talk about the process of creating a kitchen garden. The first step is to choose the right location for your garden. Ideally, it should be a sunny spot that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. You can also consider using a raised garden bed or container to maximize space. Once you have chosen your location, it's time to start planting. Choose vegetables that are easy to grow and that thrive in your area. Some great options include tomatoes, peppers, carrots, lettuce, and herbs like basil and parsley. It's important to start your garden with healthy seeds or seedlings. You can purchase these from a local nursery or seed store. Make sure to follow the instructions carefully when planting and water your garden regularly. In addition to growing your own vegetables, you can also use kitchen garden waste to create compost. Composting is a great way to reduce food waste and create nutrient-rich soil for your garden. Simply collect food scraps, yard waste, and other organic materials and turn them into a compost pile. Be sure to keep the compost pile covered and free from moisture, and it will start to break down over time. In conclusion, kitchen gardening is a great way to save money. Get involved in sustainable agriculture and enjoy fresh, healthy produce all year round. By following these simple steps, you can create a beautiful and productive kitchen garden in your own backyard. Thank you for listening, and I hope you will consider trying it out for yourself.